Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. We're going to do a skiff swap on this knife. This is the BladeBinge Divo Knives Collab, the Binge. This is the specific knife that was made just for BladeBinge. It's part of their logo, it looks just like it was made with that intent. But I want to put some skiffs in there, so let's do that. All right, so we're going to jump into doing some skiffs here. So the first thing we're going to do is take this apart. So obviously we got T8s. We did that in the unboxing, so I know it takes T8. So let's get into that. Got my Vero Vortex titanium little bit driver that just spins and spins and spins. I love that thing. So this is T8s, and I've got my T8 screw over here. This is from previously, so T8. So let's go ahead and start taking this off. The first thing I want to do is probably take off the clip here. So let's do that. All right, so here's the inset liner lock I was telling you about. Notice I said there was two screws, and there's two screws that were holding it in place. You've got this one over here that goes across right here. You've got a pin here and a pin here. That's the back spacer. And then this little piece right here. And then on the back, there's the pivot, the clip screw that goes through right there. And so that's how that works. And I like the tension. I'm not going to mess with it. I think it's perfect. So we have a pin, a blade stop pin. So if you didn't know how this works, let's just show you real quick. That's the blade stop. And then this is the blade close pin. So you see the pin is dual. It stops there and it opens there. So let's go ahead and take that out. And then we're going to take this out so we don't lose it. We'll take the pivot out. Here's our screw. Now, it does have washers, which I did notice. That's nice. Oh, there's a back spacer. I'll go ahead and take that out so we don't lose it. This is attached, so I'm going to leave that in there. We are going to take out the washers because I'll just clean these. So I'll do that. And then we're going to get the measure of the pivot. So let's do our cheat sheet. So we're looking at 5mm. And are these 1/16? Are they 3/64? Let's see. They feel pretty thin, so it might be 3/64. Yeah, 5mm 3/64. So let's see if we have that. I might have to order more soon. Ooh, am I running low? Oh, those are huge. Those are huge. That's 1/16. Am I out of the 3/64? Oh no. Oh no. Is that the one that I ran out of? Oh man. Yeah, I need to order some more of those. So I got plenty of these guys. The 3/16. I do not have the 3/64. No, I don't think I have any of these cage bearings right now. Let me just look over here just to make sure. That's a real bummer. I need to order more. That's one of those sizes that's really important. It seems like everybody's using that size lately, which is kind of interesting. That's 4mm. No. That's 1/8. And we are 5mm, right? Just to make sure I can't take another size. That's 5. Can't do 3/16. Yeah, that's too big. Dang it. All right, we'll get to clean this out. So let's go ahead and just start cleaning that out. It's not bad bearing, I will tell you that. It's pretty smooth for an OEM. It's not bad. It's just I like them when the cage is not crimped over. I think it makes it a little nicer, personally. The pivot collar didn't come off. There's two of them. Now, you'll see there's a little square part there. That's where this goes in right here. Oh, of course I dropped that. Okay, I'm back. This was stuck in my pants of all places. My gosh. That's crazy. There we go. A little trouble getting in there. Now we'll put some Loctite on there after we make sure everything fits nice and snug back in there. I think we're good. Alrighty, I think we're done. At least for now. We'll have to, I will definitely put the name of the skiffs that'll fit up there. They are the 5mm pivot, 3/64 ball size, which I think is a 13 or 14 count one. I'll double check. It'll be up here, okay? So we'll have that, and it'll also be down in the description. But we did put a little oil in there. I mean, if nothing else, that probably helped break this in just a little bit better too. It's got a little on the detent ball. Now typically, I like to push that in just a little bit to kind of wear the track in, since it is dark washed and it still needs to wear its track in. This kind of helps the, and I'm not pushing hard, I'm just putting a little bit of pressure there. Just kind of get that track going. It should make things a little smoother eventually. Yeah, I really dig that front flipper. Super cool. Nice and solid in there. All right, that was our skiff swap, unsuccessful skiff swap, but a nice ability to take a look and see what would be involved to put them in there. Super simple. We'll see if I drop this video or not. Don't know if it's worth it or not, but if it is, it might be a part 2 to the other video, or it might be just a secondary video in a day. All right, hey, appreciate you guys watching. If you found this content fun, interesting, informative, or just entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the channel. Sincerely, thank you. I really do appreciate that. I really do. Yeah, I'm humbled by it. I will tell you that. So thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to all my channel members out there. I appreciate you guys. You do 2 amazing things. I do this part-time, so you encourage me for sure. Thank you. And also thanks to your generous support of the channel, you allow me to do several things. I do Budget Banger weekly giveaways. I appreciate that. You allow me to cover the shipping and the costs, at least part of it, for the knives that are loaned to the channel. I have to ship back. The giveaway videos, the shipping, the giveaway items that I have to ship out, like especially when we have the 9K coming up and the 10K. When you watch this video, we may already be past that. I don't know. But, you know, those are big deals. That's a lot of shipping, a lot of prizes. So I appreciate you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. As a small way for me to say thank you back to you. I do two things for you. For the channel members, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. That's above and beyond the budget weekly banger giveaway that we do. So that time of the month where we do the members giveaway, there'll be two giveaways, the budget banger and the members giveaway. And the other thing is I'd like to send all new channel members a channel sticker and a thank you note. Now, that kind of applies to anybody who's actively currently a member and who's never asked or received a channel sticker. If that's you, then email me with your name, your address, and then let me know you'd like to get a channel sticker because you're a channel member. So I'd love to do that. So thank you. Again, I appreciate you guys out there, so thank you so much. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.